Being disciplined is important because it is you doing everything you need to do, even though you don't want to do it. And today I'm going to show you what habits you can put into place so you can be a highly disciplined male. Let's hop into this. 1, small wins. This is key right here. Your brain works off of a dopamine reward system where every time you do something that you know you had to do, you feel good about yourself. Well, that's just your brain releasing dopamine to let you know, attaboy, good job, you got the job done. Well, that's how I want you to start the day every single day. And do it with small wins, right? Gotta make the bed? Make the bed, bro. You know you'll feel better after a long day of work when your room is nicely clean. Boom, dopamine. You know you have to drink a glass of water, replace the coffee, drink a tall glass of water as soon as you get out of bed. All these tasks take less than 2 minutes, and again, you'll get that dopamine release because you'll feel like you just did something you didn't want to do, but you knew you had to. Which then rolls us to the next task, which is eating the frog. This is a term made popular where you want to start the day with the hardest task possible. So you've already started with an easy task, you got the dopamine release, you're feeling good, you got the confidence, now do something hard. And I want it to be uncomfortably hard. See, the idea is that if you start the day by actually eating a frog, which is disgusting, the rest of your day just seems simple. No matter how hard or how much work or how many projects you got to work on, it'll be easy. So what does that mean? Take that cold shower. Yes, it'll be 10 minutes of pain. It'll be uncomfortable. You don't want to do it, but just eat the damn frog. Or read 30 minutes. Or journal for 20 minutes. Or go to the gym at 4 in the morning, fasted for an hour, and put some heavy-ass weight on your back. All of these seem crazy unpleasant, but you eat that frog in the morning, staying disciplined the rest of the day becomes a brisk. 3, boost your self-perception. Again, I'm giving you mind plays here to make it easier to be disciplined, but being disciplined will always be hard. Now, if your self-perception is high and you value or see yourself as high value, you're going to force yourself to perform in these uncomfortable tasks. This is why it's so important to take care of yourself. Every day after you've eaten the frog, you come home, you take your shower, you step out, you do your grooming routine, skincare, fragrance, making sure you're on point. Now you feel like the man. I don't want to say like you're going to get cocky, but you're going to get cocky. You're going to feel good. Damn, I just did something hard. Now look at me. Bro, I look good, right? That confidence, you're going to keep that energy the rest of the day. Keep taking care of yourself. Keep valuing, and a lot of times it's not even that hard, bro. Stepping out of the shower, you could just do most of the steps in the shower. You shower with proper grooming products, you step out smelling like the man already. Our products from He Grooming, our stuff is made with high-end oils from fragrance houses in France, where when you shower, you're not only using the best ingredients possible on your skin and hair, you're stepping out like you're wearing a high-end fragrance. Like, I'm trying to make these steps as easy as possible so you step out feeling clean and smelling amazing. And I actually want to make this as affordable as possible. So for the next 24 hours, if you guys click the link down below and check out our shower bundle, which is our shampoo, our conditioner, and our body wash, all 3 using incredible ingredients that smell amazing. If you guys check out the shower bundle and subscribe, I'm going to give you a 40% discount as soon as you subscribe, making it crazy affordable. Once you try premium shower products, I promise you, you ain't never going to that cheap store-bought stuff. And then on top of that, for the first 100 guys that click the link down below right now and subscribe, I'm going to give you a free deodorant. Free. It's like 20 bucks on the site. I'm going to send it to you for free just for subscribing. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below and only available for the next 24 hours. Number 4. Cut social media. And look, similar to any other addiction, don't do it cold turkey. The withdrawals are going to be so uncomfortable. You're more likely to fail by day number 2 or 3 than actually succeed. Do it gradually. Go onto your phone right now, go into your screen time. You'll be able to see exactly how much time you spend on your phone. I guarantee you it's over 6 hours, which is insane considering you only got about 8 to 10 hours in a day, meaning that you're spending over 60 to 70% of your time instead of being productive on the phone. And that's what's killing your discipline. So instead, I want you to look at that screen time. If it says 6 hours, I want you to put a timer. You can put locks on these screen times for an hour less. So if it's 6, put 5. If it's 7, put 6. If it's 8, put 7. That means that for the next week, you're going to average 1 hour less. Then the next week, you're going to do it 1 hour less. I want you to get to a point that you're under a 2 hour screen time. And if you're elite, I want you to be under an hour of screen time because you really don't need that. Now you're going to grab all that extra time that you were spending on your phone to actually be disciplined. 5, rinse and repeat. Consistency breeds discipline. After days, weeks, and shoot, if you're a G, months of discipline, you're going to move almost on autopilot. It's still going to be uncomfortable. And look, that's why there's not many tips here, because discipline is not something you can just hack. Yeah, there's little things here that'll help you, but it's always going to be uncomfortable, right? I've been working out in the morning for now, what, 10? No, not 10 years. I'm exaggerating. Maybe 6 years, 6, 7 years. Every morning, it's still uncomfortable. Like, I still don't want to do it. Sometimes I'll just like get up and be like, yo, do I really want to go do legs right now? It happens every morning, right? But it gets to a point that you just move through the motions and you just get it like, yo, let's get it done. And you just, it's almost like you're on autopilot. And you know it has to get done because if you don't do it, nobody's going to do it for you. That's why you just have to rinse and repeat. Finally, number 6. This is the good one. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. This is after months or years of doing it, this is when you start to actually feel good about it. On top of the progress you're going to see in your life across your health, your body, your business, it's going to be what others say. Like the whole, I don't know how you do it. The whole, oh, I would too, but, or the whole, it just doesn't work for me. My genetics don't. You're going to hear a list of excuses as to why they're not performing at the level you're performing, and that's when you smile. That's where deep down, you don't have to say it in their face, you don't have to make them feel bad, but deep down, just know, I'm better than you. I'm more disciplined than you. The reason they're not where you are is because you put in all those weeks, days, months, years of discipline and fighting against that voice in your head telling you, yo, don't do it, but you still did it anyway.